Best places to visit in France. Paris, city of lights and romance. Paris, the capital of France, is an iconic city celebrated for its art, culture, and romantic ambience. Visit the Eiffel Tower for panoramic views, explore the Louvre Museum to see masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, and stroll along the charming streets of Montmartre. Paris is a global center of fashion, gastronomy, and artistic inspiration. Provence, lavender fields and timeless villages. Provence, in southeastern France, is known for its stunning landscapes, including fields of lavender and vineyards. Explore the picturesque villages of Gordes and Roussillon, visit the historic Avignon with its Palais des Papes, and savor the flavors of Provencal cuisine. The region's charm and natural beauty make it a favorite among travelers. Mont Saint-Michel, Island Abbey marvel. Mont Saint-Michel, a medieval abbey perched on a rocky island in Normandy, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Marvel at the stunning architecture, visit the abbey and its cloisters, and witness the dramatic tidal changes that surround this historic masterpiece. Mont Saint-Michel is a symbol of France's rich medieval heritage. French Riviera, glamour and azure coastlines. The French Riviera, or Côte d'Azur, is a glamorous stretch of coastline along the Mediterranean Sea. Relax on the beaches of Nice, visit the iconic Promenade des Anglais, and explore the artistic town of Saint-Paul-de-Vence. The French Riviera's elegant resorts, vibrant nightlife, and cultural allure attract visitors from around the world. Loire Valley, chateaux and historic splendor. The Loire Valley is renowned for its majestic chateaux, charming vineyards, and picturesque landscapes. Explore the fairy-tale Château de Chambord, visit the elegant Château de Chinon spanning the Cher River, and discover the medieval charm of towns like Amboise. The Loire Valley is a UNESCO-listed region that epitomizes France's architectural and cultural heritage. Bordeaux, wine capital and architectural grandeur. Bordeaux, located in southwestern France, is synonymous with fine wines and elegant architecture. Visit the historic Place de la Bourse, explore the Site du Vin Wine Museum, and embark on a wine-tasting journey in the surrounding vineyards. Bordeaux's blend of cultural richness and gastronomic excellence makes it a top destination for wine enthusiasts. Normandy, historic beaches and coastal charm. Normandy, famous for the D-Day landing beaches, is a region with a rich history and picturesque landscapes. Visit the historic sites of Omaha Beach and Utah Beach, explore the medieval town of Bayeux with its famous tapestry, and savor the local cuisine. Normandy's coastal beauty and cultural significance make it a compelling destination. Lyon, gastronomic delight and Renaissance architecture. Lyon, located in east-central France, is a city celebrated for its culinary prowess and Renaissance architecture. Explore the Old Town, views Lyon, visit the Basilica of Notre-Dame de Fourvière, and indulge in the city's renowned bouchons, traditional restaurants. Lyon's UNESCO-listed historic center and vibrant culinary scene have earned it the title of the gastronomic capital of France. Alsace, quaint villages and vineyard views. Alsace, a region on the border of France and Germany, is known for its charming half-timbered houses and vineyards. Explore the picturesque villages of Strasbourg and Colmar, visit the medieval Haute Königsborg Castle, and savor the region's distinctive Alsatian cuisine. Alsace's blend of French and German influences creates a unique cultural and architectural tapestry. The French Alps, alpine majesty and outdoor adventures. The French Alps offer breathtaking mountain scenery and a plethora of outdoor activities. Explore the alpine village of Chamonix, embark on scenic hikes in the Vannes National Park, and experience world-class skiing in resorts like Courchevel and Chamonix-Mont-Blanc. The French Alps provide a playground for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts. France's diverse regions offer a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty. Each of these 10 places provides a unique and unforgettable experience, contributing to France's reputation as a global cultural and travel hub.